If I've got currently a workload that is doing a lot of ETL processing through EMR, I'm taking stuff from an S3 bucket, processing that and spitting it out in maybe a different format or something like that. How much benefit am I going to see from using S3 tables? And is that going to extend to a cost benefit as well? Because at the moment, I might be paying a huge amount in S3 requests back and forth to get the data and put it back again, as well as obviously my storage costs. Is it likely that I'll see cost benefits as well as performance benefits for something like that?
So to answer this, I will like to zoom out a bit. So it's because first we need to identify that even the use case need Iceberg format or not. If the answer is straight no, I do not want to use Iceberg, you do not need to use S3 table. As simple as that. But then again, when your use case revolves around constant change data, updates and things like that, and it is at scale, that is when S3 becomes a good solution. And if that is the case, then yes, because you are calling the S3 APIs specifically to EMR, because EMR has its own file system, EMR FS, that is well integrated with S3. So that gives you added advantages, obviously. But the good thing is, other than that, you can also have a standard Iceberg table, with your own S3 data, not S3 table data, and that can be integrated with EMR as well. The only difference with S3 tables and your own managed Iceberg table is you look after the table maintenance on your own, you look after the storage data on your own when it comes to encryption and other things.